Good evening, friends. Myself Neeraj Kumar. I have done BTech in Mechanical Engineering. Now I am going to teach you mathematics of class 10. I will teach Pythagoras theorem. I will tell you the proof of the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So, what is the Pythagoras theorem? See here. In Pythagoras theorem tells that in a right triangle, a square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the other two sides. So we will first draw the figure. Okay. So suppose this is the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle in which ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is a 90 degree. Okay. So hypotenuse will be AC. AC will be the hypotenuse and other two sides are AB and BC. So here we have to prove that I am writing, you will not write down now, I am just writing down to tell you that what is the relation between hypotenuse and other two sides. We have to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, this is the relation which we have to prove. Okay, AC will be the hypotenuse and other two sides will be AB and BC. Okay, so we will deal it with step by step. Okay, first we will assume that what will be your statement. Here statement will be let ABC is a triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, in which AC is hypotenuse and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so we have to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What will be the construction? My friends, there will be a construction. Okay, so that we can easily prove it. What will be the construction? Construction will be draw a perpendicular BD on AC. So this is the perpendicular. Okay, this is the perpendicular. Okay, BD is the perpendicular on AC. Now see here, proof. Okay, in proof, actually we will use the similarity criteria of two triangles to prove this theorem. Okay, so what will be the two triangle which we have to take? Okay, we will take first this triangle ABD and again bigger triangle ABC. Okay, in which we will prove that these two triangles are similar. Again we will take this triangle BDC and we will prove that these two are similar, BDC and ABC. We will prove that these two are similar and we will find a relationship from here, these two similarities, and from these two similarities. We will find the relation and then we will proceed further. Okay, first we will see first similarity between two triangles ABD and triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABD and ABC. Okay, here angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A. That is common. And this angle is 90 degree and again this angle is 90 degree. This angle is in triangle ABD and this angle is in triangle ABC. And angle ADB is equal to angle ABC 90 degree. Okay, so you know the similarity criteria. Which criteria? Angle criteria. From this criteria, these two triangles will be similar. So we can write down by angle similarity I am writing here by angle similarity criteria triangle ABD will be similar to. Now be careful while writing down the order of the triangle vertices, because you will write down in the similar pattern as it is written in this pattern. Okay, here angle A is equal to angle A of this bigger triangle, so we will write down here A. Now D is equal to B, so corresponding to D there will be B. Remaining is what? Remaining is C. So C will be equal to B. So this angle of bigger triangle will be equal to this angle of a smaller triangle. Okay. So triangle ABD will be similar to triangle ACB. Okay. So now we know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Hence we can write down here, see, these two triangles are similar, so angle A of this smaller triangle is equal to angle A of bigger triangle. So in front side is BD, so BD by this BC. Now this angle is equal to angle B. In front side of angle D is AB, and in front side of angle this is AC. Now again remaining angle is B. Its in front side is AD, and this is C of bigger triangle. In front side is AB. So this will be AD by AB. Okay, so we will take here these two relation. Okay, so this will be AD into AC is equal to AB square. Okay, this will be our first equation. So this will be our first equation. AD into AC is equal to AB square. Now students, please you note down it. After that I will remove this portion and write down the. So students, we have the relation AD into AC is equal to AB square. Now we will prove another next relation by combining these two relations. We will prove our desired result. Okay. So for next relation, we will take these two triangles BDC and bigger triangle ABC. So I am writing down in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Okay. So in these two triangles, what is the similarity between these two triangles? That angle C is common between them. So angle C is equal to angle C common. Okay, now next it is this angle BDC is equal to 90 degree. Again in bigger triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So we will write down it angle BDC is equal to angle B 90 degree. Okay, so by angle similarity criteria triangle BDC will be similar to. Now be careful while writing down the order of the triangle. Okay, vertices of the triangle. So here angle C is equal to angle C. So we will write down here corresponding C. Okay, the vertices corresponding to C of bigger triangle will be equal to angle C of the smaller triangle. Now angle D of a smaller triangle is equal to angle B of the larger triangle, bigger triangle. So we will write down B. Okay, so remaining is what? A. So angle vertices A of the bigger triangle will be equal to the smaller triangle of B of the smaller triangle. Okay, vertices B of the smaller triangle. So triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. The students, we know that if two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. Okay, means corresponding ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. Okay, so we will write down it. Okay, so in these two triangle, angle C is common, so in front side is BD. So we will write down BD. BDY, and in bigger triangle, in front side is AB. Now again, if you take angle D of the smaller triangle, so in front side is BC, and angle B of the bigger triangle, in front side is AC. Now remaining angle is angle DBC. Start. So CD is the front side of angle DBC, and this angle is equal to the bigger triangle. Which angle? This is equal to which angle? Here angle B. B is corresponding to A. So this in front side is BC. Okay. Now students, we will take these two relation. Okay. So from this relation we are getting BC square is equal to AC into CD. BC square is equal to AC into CD. Okay, this is equation 2. Now we will add these two equation. What we will get? Adding equation 1 and 2. Okay, we will get AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus AC into CD. We will take AC common. So this will be AD plus CD. AD plus CD. What will be the resultant side? The resultant side will be, by combining these two sides AD and CD, the resultant side will be AC. So this will be AC into AC. So AB square plus BC square will be AC into AC. So this will be AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So students, here is the result, desired result, which we had desired to prove it. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem result. You may say that we have the relation AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That means sum of a square of other two sides of triangle, right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to a square of the hypotenuse. So students, we had proved the Pythagoras theorems. Okay, so thank you very much and best of luck for your examination.